Yo, 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 we back with another video at Solitude, Utah.
I'm in the whip with authority, looking like Sky Bree, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately, want me to put her in.
Barely any snow. We're gonna go up this lift and see what happens. This is like powdery slush. This is so weird. Oh my gosh, almost got the rocks. Okay, let's hit this little thing. Oh my gosh. All right, gang, let's hit this thing again. Sorry, I'm not talking much, for real. I don't know, we're gonna hit this thing again because this thing was pretty fun.
Round 2.
So let's get it.
Fight.
That landing is chopped. We landed it better than last time though. That was good. All right, let's send this little thing right here. It's sketchy. The thing I'm worried about is the takeoff and the landing, because it's like a weird takeoff, but I think if we straight line from here, we should be good. Oh my gosh, we clipped the rocks. Did not have enough speed. Right into a mogul. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. No, not the mogul. Oh. We were literally hiking across this to get to the park. That's what we gotta do to get to the park, bro. There was a lightning strike, so all the lifts are closed right now, but they're gonna open up again. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be scary. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. We don't have enough speed, but we're still gonna hit it. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see if we can like worm roll off this thing. Oh no, we have no speed. All right, let's get it. Triple worm roll. Look, that's how you get a drink. I'm gonna try and get tons of speed and do this thing right here. Let's see, bro. I'm scared. I know we won't have enough speed, but we might try it. Oh, we're not gonna have enough speed. I had no speed. Brother. Pretty much, we were in the lodge waiting for the lifts to open again, and they closed, so we're cooked, and now we have to go home. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.